Hey, it's Sierra with WTI. And I was once told that if I wanted to get my daily intake of collagen, I'd have to drink a cup of chicken noodle soup every single day. I don't want to do that. But what I do want to do is drink a delicious cup of these collagen peptides. It mixes together super effortlessly, so you can either just stir it or do what I did and practice your bartending skills. I love the flavor. It's peach mango and it has 11 grams of collagen. I like that because it's a fruity flavor. You don't really have to mix it with milk if you don't want to. I just use water and ice. I started taking this dietary supplement by Live Conscious because I want to feel more confident in my hair and my nails. And I'm telling you, this gets the job done. I'm feeling really confident these days. My little hack is to put it into hot water in the morning because it makes this nice little hot peach tea. Collagen is just essential in maintaining good healthy skin and hair and nails. And this is just my yummy way of getting all the collagen I want every day. And that's my point of view.